Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Time is a unique commodity. Unlike money, we can't earn more of it. Every day, every hour, every minute we spend is gone forever. So let me ask you, what's your current philosophy? Is it serving you well? Take a moment to think about it. Are you stuck in a mindset that's holding you back? Or do you have a philosophy that pushes you forward even in tough times? A good philosophy embraces continuous learning and adaptability. Life is always changing, and if we don't adapt, we get left behind. Earl taught me that we should always be looking for ways to improve ourselves, to grow our knowledge, and to refine our approach to life. It's about being open to new ideas and willing to adjust our sails when the wind changes. Remember, it's not the blowing of the wind that determines your destination. It's the set of the sail. So set your sail right. Embrace a philosophy that encourages growth and resilience. Be willing to learn, to change, and to take action. And most importantly, value your time and make the most of every minute. You see, our attitude plays a significant role in shaping our actions and ultimately our destiny. It's how we feel about the past, the present, and the future that determines our behavior and our results. Start with the past. The past can be a school or a club. It's all about how we perceive it. Some people see their past failures as a club to beat themselves up with. They dwell on their mistakes, regrets, and missed opportunities, allowing these thoughts to weigh them down. But here's the thing. The past should be a school. Every failure, every mistake is a lesson. It's a chance to learn, to grow, and to become better. So when I was 25, I had my fair share of failures. I was behind on my promises, struggling financially, and feeling lost. I could have easily let those failures define me. But instead, I chose to see them as lessons. I asked myself, what can I learn from this? That shift in attitude transformed my life. I realized that every setback was a setup for a comeback. It's about using the past as a teacher, not a tormentor. How do you feel about your current situation? Your attitude towards the present can either propel you forward or hold you back. Are you grateful for what you have, or are you constantly focusing on what you lack? Gratitude is a powerful force. It opens up your mind to possibilities and keeps you motivated. When you start appreciating what you have, you attract more good things into your life. So take a moment each day to reflect on your blessing. It might be your health, your family, your job, or even just the fact that you woke up this morning. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, from problems to possibilities. Your attitude towards the future shapes your actions today. You have a clear vision of what you want. Are you excited about your goals? Or do you fear the unknown and let it paralyze you? Having a positive attitude towards the future is crucial. Set your goals, visualize your success, and take steps towards it every day. Remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So, how do you feel about your past failures? Are they a club or a school? I want you to see them as a school. Embrace the lessons they offer. This shift in attitude can make all the difference. So let me ask you, what small disciplines are you neglecting that could change your life? Maybe it's exercising regularly, saving a bit of money each month, or dedicating time to learn a new skill. These actions might seem small, but their impact is huge. Identify those small disciplines. Write them down and commit to them daily. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, consistent improvements. These little steps, taken consistently, will lead you to your goals. Remember, it's the small disciplines practiced every day that lead to success. It's not about what we do once in a while. It's about what we do consistently. So, take a moment now to think about those small actions you can start today. They may seem insignificant, but trust me, they are the building blocks of your success. I want to remind you that your attitude and your actions are within your control. Choose to see the past as a school. Be grateful for the present and have a positive outlook on the future. And most importantly, commit to those small, consistent actions that will lead you to your goals. You have the power to shape your destiny. It all starts with the right attitude and disciplined activity. Setting goals is crucial. It's the roadmap to your dreams, the guiding star that directs your actions. Without clear, achievable goals, we drift through life, reacting to whatever comes our way instead of proactively creating the future we desire. I learned the power of goal setting early in my career, and it changed everything for me. Consider this. Do you have clear, written goals for your future? If not, I urge you to start today. Take some time to think about what you really want. Not just the big dreams, but the specific, actionable steps that will take you there. Write them down. A goal that isn't written down is just a wish. Here's a framework that I found incredibly helpful in setting and achieving meaningful goals. First, be specific. Don't just say, I want to be successful. Define what success means to you. Is it a certain income level? Is it a particular job title or a lifestyle? Be clear about what you want. Make your goals measurable. Instead of saying, I want to save money, set a specific amount you want to save each month. This way, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Ensure your goals are achievable. It's good to aim high, but your goals should also be realistic. Setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and discouragement. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Make your goals relevant. They should align with your values and long-term objectives. Ask yourself, why is this goal important to me? How will achieving it improve my life? Set a deadline. A goal without a deadline is just a dream. Having a time frame creates a sense of urgency and keeps you focused. Once you have your goals written down, review them regularly. Adjust them as necessary and celebrate your progress. Remember, it's not just about achieving the goals, but also about the person you become in the process. Let's talk about the magic of part-time efforts. Many people believe they need to quit their jobs and go all in to achieve their dreams. But that's not true. You can make significant progress with part-time efforts. I did it, and so can you. How are you utilizing your spare time? We all have the same 24 hours in a day. The difference lies in how we use those hours. Are you spending your evenings watching TV or scrolling through social media? Or are you investing that time in your future? Here are some tips for maximizing your part-time efforts. First, be disciplined. Set aside specific hours each day or week dedicated to working on your goals. Treat this time as sacred. It's non-negotiable. Stay organized. We need a plan for what you need to accomplish during your part-time work sessions. Prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important ones first. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. It's better to spend a little time each day working towards your goals than to do a lot sporadically. Small, consistent efforts add up over time. Stay motivated. Remind yourself why you're doing this. Keep your goals in sight and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, significant results often start with small, consistent efforts. Use your spare time wisely, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Who you spend time with makes a big difference in your life. Have you ever noticed how your attitude and habits are influenced by the people around you? It's a simple fact that our associations shape our thinking, our actions, and ultimately, our success. If you want to change your life, start by changing your circle. When I was young and struggling, I realized that the people I was spending most of my time with were not helping me reach my goals. They were good people, but they weren't ambitious, and they weren't driven to succeed. It wasn't until I met Earl Shoaff that I understood the power of association. Earl was successful, knowledgeable, and he had a positive outlook on life. By spending time with him, my perspective started to change. I began to see possibilities where I'd only seen obstacles before. Earl's influence was instrumental in my transformation. So who are you spending most of your time with? Take a moment to reflect on your current associations. Are they encouraging you, challenging you, and helping you grow, or are they holding you back? Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely to build a positive and supportive network. Start by seeking out people who are where you want to be. Look for mentors, join groups or organizations related to your goals, and be intentional about forming relationships with people who inspire you. It's also important to contribute positively to these relationships. Be the kind of person you want to attract. Supportive, encouraging, and driven. Now let's talk about the miracle of personal development. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Continuous personal development is the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your dreams. When I was struggling financially and personally, It was the commitment to personal development that turned things around for me. Personal development isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's about applying that knowledge. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big results. For instance, I started setting aside time each day for reading and self-reflection. I made it a habit to listen to motivational tapes during my commute. These small actions compounded over time and led to significant improvements in my life. The most crucial investment you can make is in yourself. Continuous personal development is the key to unlocking your full potential. It's like planting seeds in a fertile garden. With the right care and attention, those seeds will grow into a bountiful harvest. So, what are you doing daily to improve yourself? This is a question we must all ask ourselves regularly. Are you reading books that expand your mind? Are you setting goals and working towards them every day? Are you surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting people? Remember, your future is not determined by what happens to you, but by what you do about it. You're not investing in personal development. You're missing out on the greatest opportunity to transform your life. Let me encourage you with some practical steps to start investing in yourself today. First, commit to reading at least one book a month on personal development. There is a wealth of knowledge out there waiting to be discovered. Books have the power to change your life because they change the way you think. Here's some seminars and workshops. These events are not just about learning new information. They are about meeting like-minded people and getting inspired. The energy and enthusiasm at a seminar can be contagious and can propel you to take action. Find a mentor. Look for someone who has achieved what you aspire to achieve and learn from them. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and accountability, which are invaluable on your journey of personal development. Set goals and review them regularly. Goals give you direction and purpose. They keep you focused and motivated. Write down your goals and review them every day. This will keep you on track and remind you of what you are working towards to take care of your physical health. Your body is the vehicle that carries you through life. Eating right, exercising, and getting enough sleep are essential for maintaining the energy and vitality you need to pursue your dreams. Remember that personal development is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey. The more you invest in yourself, the more you will get out of life. So start today. Make a commitment to continuous personal development and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Investing in yourself is the most important investment you can make. It's a foundation for all your future successes. Remember, your growth determines your future. So, take charge of your personal development. Make it a priority. The results will be nothing short of miraculous. Remember the influence of association and the power of personal development. Choose your circle wisely and invest in yourself continuously. These principles have transformed my life, and I believe they can transform yours too. Now let's get to work and make it happen. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we discussed. We began with the importance of philosophy. Your philosophy, the way you think about life, is the foundation for everything you do. It's the set of the sail that determines your direction. If you change your thinking, you can change your life. Then we talked about attitude. How you feel about the past, present, and future shapes your actions. Your attitude can either lift you up or drag you down. By viewing past failures as lessons rather than burdens, you empower yourself to move forward. Attitude for the present and a positive outlook for the future are crucial for success. We then moved on to action. It's not enough to have a good philosophy and a positive attitude. You must also take consistent, disciplined action. Small daily disciplines like reading a few pages of a book or saving a little money each month add up over time and lead to significant results. Setting clear written goals is another essential element. Goals give you direction and purpose. They transform dreams into actionable steps by being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In your goal setting, you create a roadmap for your success. We also discussed the power of part-time efforts. You don't need to quit your job or make drastic changes overnight. Use your spare time wisely. Devote a few hours each week to working on your goals, and you'll see progress. Part-time efforts can lead to full-time success. Association was another crucial point. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your life. Choose your circle wisely. Seek out mentors and supportive networks that encourage you to grow and succeed. Finally, we talked about personal development. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Continuous learning and self-improvement are the keys to unlocking your potential. Make personal development a daily habit, and you'll see remarkable changes in your life. So now let me ask you, what will you start doing today to get the job done? What small change can you make right now that will set you on the path to success? It could be as simple as writing down your goals, reading a book, or reaching out to a mentor. Whatever it is, take that first step today. Remember, you have the power to shape your destiny. Your philosophy, attitude, actions, goals, part-time efforts, associations, and commitment to personal development are all within your control. You are capable of achieving great things. Believe in your potential. Take action and stay committed to your goals. I want to leave you with this thought. The future is not a place we go. It's a place we create. Every action you take today is a step towards creating the future you desire. So, take control, set your sail, and navigate your way to success.